From the depths beyond sight, new possibilities emerge. At the center of humanity's advancement at sea stands SKoceanplant. Engineered for the harshest offshore environments, our structures are built on uncompromising durability and precision. Our tubular technology, developed through localization and refined to global standards, forms the structural backbone of offshore industries. On this foundation, we enable large-scale offshore wind development worldwide. From fixed bottom to floating solutions, we deliver optimized technologies across all offshore conditions. Transforming wind into reliable energy for the future. In extreme offshore environments, complex plants take shape. Driven by advanced engineering and execution excellence, we deliver proven performance in offshore plant construction. We simplify complexity through precision, setting new benchmarks in offshore engineering. Across global shipping routes, our vessels operate at scale. Built on accumulated expertise and disciplined project execution, they support the movement of industries worldwide. At the forefront of maritime defense, where precision is non-negotiable, we deliver next-generation frigates powered by advanced systems integration, strengthening naval capabilities with proven shipbuilding expertise. Safeguarding the oceans beyond boundaries. Through maintenance, repair, and overhaul, we extend the life cycle of vessels and ensure operational continuity. Ensuring continuous vessel operations without interruption. Enhancing reliability across global fleets. Building energy infrastructure, constructing vessels, sustaining the oceans. The sea demands constant innovation. SKoceanplant continues to meet that challenge without pause. The core of industries that live and move at sea, SKoceanplant stands at the center.